Welcome to my channel. I'm going to document my progress from zero to hopefully getting a job as some sort of computer programmer, software engineer. I don't really know. I'm kind of a dumb construction worker, and I'm tired of swinging hammers, walking roofs, running saws, all that for a living. So I'm dedicating myself to at least an hour a day of training on various free online resources. That's one of the things I'm really going for here is that there will be no cost out of pocket. I put my hour in today already, and then I realized that might not be the worst idea to document this process in case someone else has a desire to down the road do what I'm doing. So I'll try to provide little daily updates on what I did each day. I'll keep them short and probably nothing very exciting at this point. Hopefully, 3 months, 6 months, a year down the road, I have something to show for my time. Here, I'll share my screen with you. This is what I'm starting with. It's the University of Helsinki has a free Python course. I'm going with Python because it seems relatively uh, beginner friendly compared to some of the other languages like C++. It seems like it's going to be pretty future proof. And this is all from my cursory little bits of research on, Google and Reddit and asking ChatGPT. But you know what? I know almost nothing about programming right now, so I figure anything is better than nothing. But yeah, sign in here with an email account, and then you navigate your way. You can see this URL here up top. This is the 2025 course. It looks like they upload a new or start a new course every year, but yeah, I just went right to this, part one. I did this getting started. It walks me through. It's pretty boring so far. Walks me through, these are the exercises I finished. You get it to print things you want it to print. Here we have it reordering some things, more printing, a little bit of math. Again, like very, this is programming languages I'm already learning are very pedantic. Everything has to be correct. One, a comma or a quotation mark out of place can throw the whole thing off. So yeah, they've just got these little exercises here. Here it starts to let you input, what are called variables. Again, very basic, very rudimentary. I struggled a little bit with, here we're coming up on it. This one a little bit here, I had some issues with, it took me a minute to realize, oh, I need underscores in my variable names, and you kind of just tool around with it till you figure it out. Um, you know, Same thing here. I forgot to put my little dashes in. This one, again, it gets a little more complicated, still very rudimentary. If anybody's actually a programmer watching this, don't make fun of me. I'm new to this and I'm not too bright. I swing a hammer for a living. But yeah, a lot of little tooling around here just was seeing, how pedantic is the only way I can describe it. So yeah, that's what I got done today. They're going to ask you, and I'd recommend doing it. They like to collect some kind of information for these free courses. Just I think seeing who's doing them, what your experience is, blah blah blah. But yeah, so between those two courses, and I kind of spent a little bit Googling around, just wondering where to start, that's my hour for today. I'm gonna keep it manageable at first. Hopefully another week or two down the road as I start getting this and start, building up a little more confidence, maybe I'll start putting in more time every day. I don't know. My day job leaves me somewhat exhausted and I'm not old, but I'm not young either. And so, we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I doubt anyone's ever going to watch this, but if you are, stay tuned.